Hello everybody, it's Michelle, and today I've just got a quick tip for you guys on preserving your leftover tortillas. I used these Extreme Wellness spinach and herb wraps in my recent videos for my Green Goddess breakfast flip and my Green Goddess lunch flip. But this was a pack of 8 tortillas, and I've already had it twice, and I'm not going to want tortillas again for a little while, and I don't want them to go to waste. So if you guys watch my channel, you know that I like to freeze everything to keep it longer, to keep it from going bad, and to save me more trips out to the store. So if you just pop these into the freezer, then they're going to stick together. So I just had a quick tip for you guys, just to put some coffee filters in between. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to get out some of my filters. And they are just about the perfect size. These are the smaller wraps. You can get these in a larger wrap in the burrito size as well, but I like the smaller ones. And I'm just going to put that down and lay my tortillas on top. And I'm going to put a coffee filter in between every one. That's going to keep them from sticking together in the freezer, so you can just take them out individually. Okay, so I've got one under the bottom and then in between every layer, and I'm going to go ahead and put another one over the top just for a layer of protection so that it can help prevent freezer burn. And I'm just going to put them right back into the Ziploc package that they came in. I'm going to try to get out all the air that I can and just zip that right back up. And you can take a Sharpie marker and just write on here the date that you froze it on. And these are going to be good in the freezer for around 6 to 8 months. That's really going to extend the life of these. Now, when you want to use these, just take out one or however many you're going to use at the time. And you can lay it out on the counter if you're going to be using it immediately and just let that come to room temperature. It'll thaw out pretty quickly because they're so thin. Or if you want to, go ahead and get that out and get it thawed the night before. Just slip it into maybe a gallon size Ziploc freezer bag and just slide that in there so it's still in one layer. And then you can leave it out on your counter overnight to thaw if you want to do that. So I hope that tip was helpful to you guys. It really helps me to extend the life of my ingredients, and I hope it helps you too. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Healthy Minds and Bodies. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have all of those listed in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.